Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Hari Academy. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about the study plan. Before that, if you need to score exemption in this paper, is this paper is an easy paper? Is there you can easily score your exemptions in this paper? Yes, you can score an exemption. Minimum 70 mark is guaranteed in this paper. If you follow the steps, if you follow what order I will tell you. With good conceptual clarity, you can able to focus. Don't focus only on the sums part. Focus on the concepts. You can do n number of sums. If you only do 20 sums, your scope is restricted only those 20 sums. So make sure you're focusing on those concepts. Okay. First, just getting into the weightage of the part, just as usual done, we will do 25%, 40%, 20%, 15% as per old syllabus. Okay. So in this part, we are not purely going to focusing on weightage because your paper is going to be for 125 to 130 marks. Based on this percentage will works. First, we will focusing on section A. We are focusing on section A. After that, we will focusing on section B. Section A, section B is our next focus. After that, we will move on to section D, that our third focus. Then only we will come to section C, it will be a fourth focus. Okay. So, in this basics part, section A, you will be given with one study note, that is fundamentals of accounting. Fundamentals of accounting and two study notes, that is accounting for special transaction. Okay. In this two study notes, okay, fundamentals of accounting and accounting for special transaction. In this two study notes, you may expect a theory question, theory based question for 5 marks, sums based on 10 to 15 marks. It may be 2 questions or it may be 1 question, one single question also possible. So this before, if you want to start accounting, you need to understand what is an accounting. In this part, you will be majorly focusing on this area. Rectification, depreciation is your second, and capital and revenue transaction is your third. 1, 2, 3 is your first thing which you need to complete. Okay, which you need to complete. Once it has done, you need to focus more on practical aspects. I am telling this is not a basic theory. You need to focus. Once it is done, you will move on to bills of exchange, consignment, insurance claim, finally focusing on joint venture. In December 2023, I am expecting a question from bills of exchange or a consignment or an insurance claim rather than on joint venture. For this specifying last attempt itself, I am telling the paper is going to be moderate. As per my prediction, the paper is going to be moderate only. It will not be completely be easy. Here and there, they will test those problems. 65 marks to 70 marks paper is going to be easy. The 30 marks is a crucial thing, how you are able to handle those things. Okay, this is an order. Study note 1 and study note 2, you will first complete, which are the complete basics. Then come to our section B. That section B will comprises of preparations of financial statements. That to what every entities you will handle. You will first focusing on not for profit organization. You know the connection between this thing. Only you know capital and revenue transaction. Then only NPO will be easy. Okay. So from this, we have already uploaded exam-oriented batch videos. We have solved the sums. We have interpreted the sums. We have given a certified copies. How to present your paper. Everything we have given. First, you can focusing on NPO. You may get one sure shot question from this. Okay, one sure shot from question from this. And this is the first criteria. Under this set 3, 4, 5, I will take it as one bucket. Then after that, I will come to partnership. Okay. In this study note 3, 4, 5, we will first focusing on study note 4. Okay. Once it has done, you will move on to study note 5. There may be an interpretation that question may come from 3 or 5. It will be 3 or 5. Sometimes they will ask 3 and 5 also. Sometimes they will only ask study note 5. Sometimes they only ask study note 3. So make sure you will focusing on study note 3 and study note 5 given equal weightage. We'll focusing on account from incomplete records. That too, how you need to present the conceptual clarity, how you need to interpret the question, how you need to present the question, everything we will upload it. That will be a one question. Regarding the basics, which you want to have a core strong knowledge on the basics, you can also, we have already uploaded 25 hours of class. You can also verify and revise it for your purpose. Consignment classes we have uploaded. Insurance claim we have uploaded. Bills of exchange we have uploaded. Nearly 55 marks to 60 marks to classes we have given to you. So take a benefit and get your exams done. Okay. Once it has been done, in NPO, focusing on reversal order question, give more importance to adjustments. Okay, like this you can do. Next, accounts from incomplete records also give a separate working notes as a separate thing and give you a presentation nicely. Then coming back to study note 3, study note 3 is a basic proper profit-oriented organization. That to profit-oriented organization, if you take that is final accounts of a sole proprietor. Okay, you can easily prepare trading account, P&L account, and the balance sheet. Okay, we have a presentation that you can also, few videos has been uploaded, few videos has been pending from our end that we will upload that in near soon. Okay, regarding exam-oriented batches. Then once this study note 3, 4, 5 is done, then coming to an important chapter which many students will feel difficult, but our students will find it is easy. That is admission of a partner, retirement, death. This will be your one first step. If you study admission, retirement will be easy. Retirement, only three or four slight adjustments. Once you are done with 3 or 4 adjustments, death will become easy. Everything will be a same. If you study admission, retirement, death put together will become cakewalk for you. So make sure you will complete at the earliest. Then you will focusing on dissolution of a partner as your second priority and insolvency of a partner as your third priority. Amalgamation and conversion of to a company or conversion of a sale of partnership firm to a company, it's your last bucket. Finally, at the end, if you get time, you will do, or else you don't touch this part. Okay, you'll only focusing on 6.1 to 6.5. At the last time, we have a time constraint, so we will be focusing on this. Okay, once it has been done, as I already told, we'll move on to section D. Okay, this section D, we will first focusing on AS1. First focusing on AS1. Then we will focusing on AS2. We will focusing on AS2. Once it has done, we will focusing on AS10. 1, 2, 3. Once it has been done, we will focusing on construction contract. 4. Once it has done, we will focusing on revenue recognition AS9. You only having AS1, AS2, AS10, AS7, AS9. This 5 is most important from accounting perspective. In CMA final, you will learn the next advanced called Ind AS. And finally, you will come to what is given in the Ind AS part. Okay, finally, you will come to Ind AS part, what it has been given. So in CMA final, in CFR paper, you will learn the extent of some cases will be there. So make sure you learn it at this interlevel itself. It have given a good weightage in your examination also. And then move on to computerized accounting system. This computerized accounting system is a theory-based question. You will get a theory-based question. Maximum it will comes around 5 pages. If you remember those 5 pages with subheadings, okay, you can easily self-study this topic. That is a subheadings along with keywords. You can easily score good marks in it. Okay. In those AS also, you can practice the past question papers, which you can do. Okay. Once section D is done, we are only left with last 4 study notes. In last 4 study notes, we'll first focusing on hire purchase. First focusing on hire purchase. Then we will go to departmental. Then we will come back for branch. Then we'll focus on royalty and self-balancing ledger as a 4th and 5th bucket. 4th and 5th order, we will focus. Okay, so this is the order you need to do. So in this part, okay, if you want to leave any chapter, leave it completely. Okay, if never, I will told never to my subscribers or never to my students to leave any chapter. Suppose if you feel to leave any chapters, leave the chapter completely rather than leaving it very few. Because if you want to study those chapters, complete everything. If you want to leave it everything. Don't study very few. Don't study just important things. Many of them will do. If you want to go by that method, you can study those important things also. That's not a big deal. Okay. But what I will tell, if you want to study royalty, all the problems, everything you need to study. If you are going to leave, you can leave it completely. That should be your first thing, first option. Or second option, do at least past papers. Many of them will say, why sir, you are telling that you can leave it? How you can tell that? That's all they will come back to us. So what I'll say, if you want to go, you can study those important questions, which is a past paper question, which everyone says. Okay. Accounting standards give more importance. Believe me, you thank me after your exams. Okay, focus on accounting standards. Okay, it may happen or it may not happen, but for your life, accounting standards is the main thing. Okay, so regarding past papers, what past papers I can do? From syllabus 2016, that is from June 2017 to June 2023. All question papers except December 21. Except December 21. That is regarding online examination they have conducted. No, except that question paper you can leave. Remaining all question papers you can do. Along with this, you can do workbook question. Along with this, you can do bit question. If you see 10 sums in one chapter, do 2 sums by doing writing practice. Practice those sums. Remaining sums you can just do roughly. At least 2 sums you do by actual method, how you are going to present it in your examination. Okay. One more happy announcement that we have come up with the free test series, which I have already uploaded a video. You can refer that video. I will give it in the description below and I will also comment it below. I will also pin it in my comment box. It's a free test series which will start from December 3, 4, 5, 6. Continuous 4 days you are having paper 5, 6, 7 and 8. Those papers is for both old syllabus and new syllabus we are going to conduct, and already we have uploaded free MCQs in our app. That also give it in the description. Hari Academy CA, CS, CMA. You can practice it for unlimited times. Okay, n number of attempts you can go and you can at any point of time, if you want to go do it at 12 a.m. in the night, you can attend this. If you want to go it at 4 a.m. in the morning, you can attend those test series. Immediately, you will analyze your strength. You will analyze your weakness. Okay. Each and everything you can do a SWOT analysis. Okay. We are creating an opportunity for you. You can make use of those opportunity to analyze your strength, to make sure where you find your weakness and put your opportunities to make it more strength. Okay, so attend those free test series. So attend those free MCQ tests as per your convenience, and make sure you will clear those exams in your December 2023 attempt. On the exam, on the result day, I want to hear that I have completed my inter, so that we will also go to group 2 of a inter, or we will sit together and we will prepare for CMA final. Thank you. Have a nice day.